Hi, and welcome to my channel today. Thank you for joining me here. I have something I think you're really going to enjoy today. It is called Colcannon. It's an Irish dish. It's mashed potatoes with cabbage in it. I'm going to show you how to make it. Stay tuned. I'm going to get started right now. I've already cooked my potatoes. What you do is, it's about 2.5 pounds of potatoes. Cover them in water about an inch or so above. Put a little salt in there, boil them for about, when they come to boil, start timing them. You need about 10-15 minutes, depending on how big the chunks are. I put them in one inch chunks. It took about 10-12 minutes to cook those. Right now I'm going to be shredding this cabbage pretty thinly. And we're going to cook this separate. Oh, let me turn this on too. We need this on. We're going to cook this on. Cook the cabbage first, and then we're going to mash the potatoes, and then we're going to put the cabbage and the leeks in with the mashed potatoes. And you could use any kind of cabbage. I'm just using regular green cabbage here, but if you have Napa cabbage or Savoy cabbage, any kind of cabbage would work. And I'm using leeks, but if you wanted to use onions or green onions instead, you could do that too. Now, I'm always trying to hide vegetables inside of something that other people like anyway. I put cabbage in my, or cauliflower in my mashed potatoes sometimes. You don't even know it's there, but you're adding that extra nutrition of the cabbage. I mean, of cauliflower. You know, cauliflower is really good for you. It's actually a cruciferous vegetable, which means it's cancer fighting, which is, so is cabbage. I'll put about a tablespoon of olive oil in here. Now this whole thing of cabbage is going in, and this will, you know, it'll cook down quite a bit. That's just one leek. You can put more in there if you want. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper. Here's the cabbage cooking with the leeks and salt and pepper and just a little bit of oil. And that's all cooked down nicely. We'll be back. Smells pretty good in here. Okay, I just want to sprinkle in a little bit of celery salt, optional. You can put garlic powder in here, garlic salt, whatever kind of flavorings you want. We're going to get our potatoes and get them mashed up. Then we're going to mix them with the cabbage, and then we'll be ready. Okay, prepare for magic to happen. We are mashing potatoes with cabbage. It's not all that weird. I guess Irish people have been doing it for centuries. These are the potatoes that I cooked. I told you about them earlier. I'm going to put in 1 stick of butter. If you want to make this vegan, use your vegan butter. I am putting some sour cream in there, and you could use Greek yogurt as a substitute for that. Okay. Now I'm just going to mash these up real quick. And I'm not using a mixer on this because we're going to be putting in the cabbage as well, and it's going to give it some texture. So even if you got these all nice and smooth, nobody would know it because you're going to have all that cabbage in there. Okay. But yeah, if you want. And I'm scooping it out of here instead of pouring it in because there's a little bit of water at the bottom, and I don't want that extra water in there. I just want the cabbage and the leeks. And you don't have to put this whole amount in here either. If you like sauteed cabbage, you can have this as a side. All right, I got most of it. And we're just going to mix it in. I'm going to put, this is a 1/2 cup of sour cream. So it was a 1/2 cup of butter and a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Okay, I'm just going to put it in a serving bowl. And we are ready for our St. Patrick's Day feast. This is so good. Oh, it's mashed potato-y. It's cabbagey. You got those leeks in there. They're giving it a little accent. This is really, really good. It's a great Irish dish. I hope you'll give this a try at home. I hope you'll enjoy it on St. Patrick's Day or any other time. You take care now, and thank you for watching.